Hello guys, welcome back to the channel The Techie Guy, and in this video we are going to cover our 30 days top 50 questions of this lead code 50, and we already completed select queries, and now we are solving this basic joins. And this is the first question: replace employees with unique ID. So let's go here. Okay, so problem is replace employees with the unique identifiers. Okay, so we have one table employees, and here is ID of an employee and name of an employee. ID is the primary key here. That means it is always tested, no one is repeated. And second table is employee UNI. Here is also ID and some unique ID also there. And both is unique, as you can see, combination of columns with unique values, and these are both are primary keys of this table. So now each row of this table contains the ID and corresponding unique ID of the employee. So in this table, ID of the employee there and unique ID that we need to find. So we need to write a solution to find unique IDs of each user. We just need to find unique IDs of an user. If a user doesn't have any unique ID, we just need to show null. So it is good. Case, this is first table employee ID name. Second table is employee UNI. It is like this. So ID is 3. That means Alice is not here, as we can see in ID. So 1. Here it is also not 7. And 90 is there. So 173, that means Eli's job, and Jonathan doesn't have any ID. Eli's job. Okay, Jonathan, what is ID? 3. Okay, 3 is here. Yeah, so only 1 and 7. Eli's and Bob doesn't have any ID, so it is coming like this. Let's come and code here. What you need to do, simply write select from your first table. Let's see what is the first table name. Employee EMP LOY employees. Come here, we just need to join second table. I'm using left join so that we can get null values as well. Now I'm giving this as E1, name alias we can say employee PLOYEEUNI. I'm going at E2 and E1 dot ID. We just need to equal it to E2 dot ID. Now portion is already completed. What you just need to output input is like this, and output is unique ID. So we just need to come here, E2. From E2 we need unique ID. So what is that? E2 dot unique ID UNI QUV unique ID comma E1 dot name. We need name here, and I guess this should be sufficient to achieve our results, because here just null and unique ID is coming. So yeah, it is accepted, as you can see like this. Just we can check. Yeah, we can result in any order, so it should work. Just submitting it. Yeah, it worked. So this is the solution. What I did here, I just taken some basic joins question. So for example, if you didn't have any relationship here, it will always show as null here. So for Bob and Lice, there is no relationship, means on this join result is null, so it showed null. And if you're having any doubts, what you can do, you can just print any of those 4 columns. So for example, let's print e2 dot id as well, so that you will get an idea. I know output will not match, but it will show your output here. Look, and our output is this 3111 as well. Apart from this, what we can do here is the same. Okay, so it showed you null as well. Now thank you for watching. If you have any doubt, just comment here on this video and I will reply you. Thanks for watching.